DOGELON Mars cost today truly is $5.10 E7 United States dollars with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $15,377,443 United States dollars. We update our ELON to United States dollars cost continuously. DOGELON Mars truly is down 28% as of now, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ongoing CAN market cap positioning is number 123, with a live market cap of $281,268,315 United States dollars amazingly. It for the most part has a circling supply of 551,908 275 231 670 ELON coins and a maximum, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Supply of 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 ELON coins. Meme coins in a real sense have been among the most impacted cryptographic forms of money by the new digital currency crash, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. DOGELON Mars cost, for example, has lost 13% this week and 47% of its worth this month alone. The drop, notwithstanding, by and large has not been totally, commonly because of the new cryptographic money industry cost drop. Since the years began, DOGELON Mars for the most part has lost 70% of its worth in a kind of large manner. DOGELON price prediction in every practical sense, significant way. Since its especially send-off on April 23, 2021, DOGELON has had one principal objective, to reproduce the progress of Dogecoin, or so they thought. Be that as it may, the beyond couple of weeks truly have seen both digital currencies for the most part proceed to experience gigantic misfortunes in the market in a real sense. In the present exchanging meeting, DOGELON has in every way that really matters, dropped by more than 7% in an inconspicuous manner. Taking a gander at the graph underneath, we can sort of see DOGELON costs, as of late set another cost essentially low of 3.5 E7. The costs have since skipped to exchange at the very current cost of 4.8 E7, a 37% cost top. Notwithstanding, the costs have exchanged sideways in the essentially beyond 6 days, with each exchanging meeting rotating from negative to bullish from the earlier day, or so they generally thought. The graph additionally generally shows that DOGELON's cost is still in an extremely impressive negative move. The Williams alligator's signs, for example, demonstrate the latest thing to be forcefully negative, which really is genuinely huge. My DOGELON cost expectation anticipates that the cost should keep falling in the genuinely next truly barely any exchanging meetings utilizing the diagram, which is very critical. I really expect the in every practical sense, current sideways market to end soon, and DOGELON to especially continue the especially descending move, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Taking a gander at the diagram beneath, my DOGELON forecast sort of is a probable value drop to the 3.5 E7 help level. At this level, the costs will likewise certainly reasonable drop in every way that really matters, further. This really is particularly obvious if the ongoing digital money downtrend go on in an unpretentious manner. Notwithstanding, in the event that the costs especially close the present exchanging meeting above $5E7, my exchange investigation will be discredited. It will likewise mean the pattern is probably going to stay sideways for the following couple of days fundamentally. Then again, assuming it by and large closes over the present opening costs, there generally is likewise an exceptionally high likelihood of a pattern inversion, which in a real sense implies we could see DOGELON exchanging above 7E7 a major way. What in every way that really matters is DOGELON Mars, ELON, which is very huge. DOGELON Mars is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the case of really other fruitful canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. DOGELON Mars in a real sense plays on lovely a few well-known subjects in the image coin space in a quite large manner. Its name is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the tycoon business visionary who is a candid ally of Doge. It insinuates Mars, a twist on the renowned moon image, suggesting that DOGELON will encounter a monstrous vertical development. Past its joking name, DOGELON Mars has figured out how to explicitly assemble a huge local area, with most certainly in excess of 300,000 Twitter adherents and in excess of 84,000 supporters on Telegram. Who are the founders of DOGELON Mars, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Very much like is the situation for its more noticeable and essentially more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this specific canine coin certainly are especially obscure. That truly is to some degree a really normal event for image coins, and financial backers for the most part are very much encouraged because of in every practical sense, an expected level of investment with generally secret coins to try not to succumb to malignant practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, ELON has been available for quite a long time, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little. What makes DOGELON Mars unique? DOGELON Mars in every practical sense utilizes an amusing genuinely comic story of DOGELON, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, or so they explicitly thought. DOGELON investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his movements through the stars. Genuinely several extremely short comics are distributed on the coin site that follow DOGELON on his undertakings to Mars, where he meets companions and goes on experiences. DOGELON Mars doesn't have a guide essentially, yet rather fostered a dream form through its comics in an unpretentious manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, DOGELON will generally need to battle for sort of endurance against the Annihilators in a significant manner. This fantasized form proposes that once the coin is recorded on all significant trades, the cost of ELON will reach Mars, or, as such, it will exchange at a lot higher valuation. Nonetheless, Annihilators, by which the instability of the crypto markets could especially be implied, will truly be an issue the local area should battle against. Practically speaking, ELON really is an image coin without sort of much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask amazingly. In any case, thinking of it as sort of has an intense blend of commonly a few exceptionally memeable credits in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars, DOGELON Mars could like quickly if the truly generally digital money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments. Explicitly foresee future DOGELON Mars cost expectations. ELON gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning help specialized analysis on the past value information of DOGELON Mars in an unpretentious manner. We generally are in a real sense the best to gather greatest authentic information for the ELON coin, which incorporates certainly numerous boundaries like essentially past value, DOGELON Mars market cap, DOGELON Mars volume and scarcely any kind of something else. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, for the most part try to peruse our expectations, which is genuinely critical. DOGELON Mars price prediction 2022 in a by and large enormous manner. As per our especially profound specialized examination on beautiful past value information of ELON, in 2022 the cost of DOGELON Mars is generally anticipated to really reach at the very least degree of $0.00000058, or so they thought. The ELON cost can sort of arrive at a greatest degree of $0.00000065 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.00000060, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. What explicitly is the DOGELON Mars cost today in an especially significant manner? Today DOGELON Mars, ELON, in a real sense, is exchanging at $0.00000052 with a market cap of $286,113,544.000, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. What will especially be the ELON kind of the greatest gauge cost for 2022, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The ELON cost generally is supposed to arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $0.0000065 toward the finish of 2022, or so they thought. Is DOGELON Mars, ELON, an excellent venture? DOGELON Mars esteem by and large is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general in every way that really matters, support cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture, which generally is genuinely critical. Only sort of put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions, and lead the most extreme examination especially conceivable. How high could DOGELON Mars at any point go? The sort of typical cost of DOGELON Mars, ELON, could explicitly go to $0.0000060 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively for the most part come to the $0.0000288 mark, in opposition to mainstream thinking. How certainly much will DOGELON Mars fundamentally be for the most part worth in 2030, or so they thought. As far as value, DOGELON Mars in every practical sense has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels by and large. It is figure that ELON will increment in esteem, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per explicit specialists and business experts, DOGELON Mars can basically hit the most exorbitant cost of 0.